Hi to all. Today, let us see something on laminar airflow chamber. Laminar airflow chamber. Laminar airflow chamber or cabinet is an enclosed workstation that is used to create a contamination-free work environment through filters to capture all the particles entering the cabinet. These cabinets are designed to protect the work from the environment and are most useful for the aseptic distribution of specific media and plate pouring. Laminar airflow chamber are classified into two types. One is horizontal laminar airflow chamber and the other one is vertical laminar airflow chamber. These are the components of laminar airflow hood or chamber. Laminar airflow chamber consists of enclosed cabinet system and a working platform. The working platform comprises of pre-filter, blower, hepa. hepa is high efficiency particulate air filter, UV lamp and fluorescent lamp. Cabinet. The cabinet is made up of stainless steel with less or no gaps or joints, preventing the collection of spores. And the cabinet provides insulation to the inner environment created inside the laminar airflow and protects it from the outside environment. The front of the cabinet is provided with a glass shield, which in some laminar cabinet opens entirely, or in some it has two openings for the user's hand to enter the cabinet. Working station. A flat working station is present inside the cabinet for all the processes to be taken place. Culture plates, burner and loops are all placed on the working station where the operation takes place. The worktop, it is also made up of stainless steel to prevent rusting. Fan or blower. A fan is present below the filter pad that sucks in the air and moves it around in the cabinet. The fan allows the movement of air towards the hepa filter, specifically that the remaining microbes become trapped while passing through the filter. Filter pad. A filter pad is present on the top of the cabinet through which the air passes into the cabinet. The filter pad traps dust particles and some microbes from entering the working environment within the cabinet. The filter pad is also called as pre-filter or the primary filter, as it initially sucks the air and it is the first stage in filtering of air. The impurity particles of size 5 can also be trapped through this filter pad. HEPA filter. The high efficiency particulate air filter is present within the cabinet that makes the environment more sterile for the operation. It is a special type of air filter which removes all sorts of contaminated particles, that is bacteria, fungi and dust particles. HEPA filter is considered as a secondary or final filter. It filters even the particles with the size of 0.3 microns. There are three mechanisms to remove impurities, that is interception, impaction and diffusion. UV lamp. Some laminar flow hoods might have a UV germicidal lamp that sterilizes the interior of the cabinet and contents before the operation. It is to kill the germs and bacteria. UV radiation should be on before and after the use. It purifies the chamber and it contains the pieces of equipment present inside it, including petri dishes, test tubes, beakers and watch glasses. The UV lamp should be turned on at least 15 minutes before the operation. Fluorescent lamp. Fluorescent light is placed inside the cabinet to provide proper illumination and lightening inside the hood. Next is the principle of laminar airflow chamber. The principle of laminar airflow cabinet is based on the laminar flow of air through the cabinet. The device works by the use of inwards flow of air through one or more HEPA filters to create a particulate-free environment. The air is taken through a filtration system and then exhausted across the work surface as a part of the laminar flow of the air. The air first passes through the filter pad or pre-filter that allows a streamline below of air into the cabinet. Next, the blower or fan directs the air towards the HEPA filters. The HEPA filters then trap the bacteria, fungi and other particulate materials so that the air moving out of its particulate-free air. Some of the effluent air then passes through perforation present at the bottom rear end of the cabinet, but most of it passes over the working bench while coming out of the cabinet towards the face of the operator. The laminar flow hood is enclosed on the sides and constant positive air pressure is maintained to prevent the intrusion of contaminated external air into the cabinet. Here comes the procedure and applications of laminar airflow chamber. The procedure to be followed while operating a laminar flow cabinet is as follows. Before running the laminar flow cabinet, the cabinet should be checked to ensure that nothing susceptible to UV rays is present inside the cabinet. Number 2. The glass shield of the hood is then closed and the UV light is switched on. The UV light should be kept on for about 15 minutes to ensure the surface sterilization of the working bench, and the UV light is switched off and a time period of around 10 minutes is spared before the airflow is switched on. About 5 minutes before the operation begins, the airflow is switched on. The glass shield is then opened and the fluorescent light is also switched on during the operation. To ensure more protection, the working bench of the cabinet can be sterilized with other disinfectants like 70% alcohol. Once the work is completed, the airflow and the fluorescent lamp both are closed and the glass shield is also closed. And here is the applications of the laminar airflow chamber. The laminar airflow cabinets are suitable for a variety of applications to clean the particle sensitive electronic devices. In the laboratory, laminar flow cabinets are commonly used for specialized work and it can be tailor-made to the specific requirements of the laboratory. And it is also ideal for general lab, especially in medical, pharmaceutical, electronic and industrial sectors. So on the whole, the laminar airflow chamber, it is mainly used for sterilizing our work. Thank you.